TV.
Yeah. So here it is, February 18th, 7:30 in the morning. Say hello, Catherine.
Hello.
Say hello, Peanut.
Arf, arf.
Where's Nellie? Let's find Nellie.
She's behind you.
Oh, there's that black lump right there. Ooh. Yep. We just had the President's Day blizzard, birthday blizzard yesterday.
Yeah.
Shortly we'll be going outside and viewing our results.
Yeah, and then at about 10 o'clock when everyone's downstairs, we might shovel.
We'll be shoveling before then.
No, we won't. Well, I'm not. Fine. Not me.
You're funny.
No, I'm not. You are. And so
Okay.
am I.
But we're gonna go around and look out some of the windows. So here we are looking out the front door.
Yeah.
Look, our neighbor's already been out. Really quiet though. It'll be fun shoveling out that snow. What stairs? And now here we are in the backyard. They were saying that Boston got 27 inches of snow. There's my little A-frame that I put out. It's not quite buried. And now for the continuing coverage of the President's Day blizzard. Actually is the day after. You can see the cars drifting in. You can hear the snowplow working in the distance. What they use. Oh, Kevin might be up there. Let's grab and say hi, Kevin. Oh look, there's Meredith. We are the cleanup after the blizzard of 03. Lots of bad hair. Meredith is now ill.
Supposedly. Oh no!
Let's go back outside and look to see our handiwork. Look! My cars can get out again. Isn't it wonderful? Oh, it's great.